Tailstock. It is a sliding unit on the bedways of the lathe bed. It is situated on the right-hand side of the lathe. It is made in two parts, namely the base and the body. The base bottom is machined accurately and has V grooves corresponding to the bedways. It can slide over the bed and can be clamped at any position on the bed by means of the clamping unit. The body of the tailstock is assembled to the base. Graduations are marked on the rear end of the base, and a zero line is marked on the body. When both zero lines coincide, the axis of the tailstock is in line with the axis of the headstock. The body and base are made out of cast iron. The parts of a tailstock are base, body, spindle, barrel, spindle locking lever, operating screw rod, operating nut, tailstock hand wheel, key, adjusting screws, and clamping unit. Functioning of a tailstock. By rotating the hand wheel, the barrel can be moved forward or backward. The barrel can be locked in any required position. The hollow end of the barrel at the front is provided with a Morse taper to accommodate the cutting tools with a taper shank. Graduations are sometimes marked on the barrel to indicate the movement of the barrel. With the help of the adjusting screws, the body can be moved over the base laterally, and the amount of movement may be read approximately referring to the graduations marked. This arrangement is to offset the center of the tailstock as required for taper turning. Purpose of the tailstock: to accommodate the dead center to support lengthy works, to carry out lathe operations, to hold cutting tools like drills, reamers, drill chucks, provided with taper shank, to turn external taper by offsetting the body of the tailstock with respect to the base.